Hey there, AJ in the Valley here. Another beautiful day in the Annapolis Valley. Going a different way home today. Just finished work. Decided I'd go for a little longer of a ride. Hit the railway bed. Hot. 31 degrees out today. 29 kilometers an hour. Have to cross the number 1 up here twice. Once to get the railway bed, and then once I'm off the railway bed, I have to cross it again. There's number 1. Hi there, how are you? Hi, how are you? Good. And on the railway bed. Harvest Moon Trailway. Perfect. This is a more scenic route for sure. I'd take a little longer getting home, burn some more calories. Another barbecue tonight. Keto hamburgers. Probably have a flax meal muffin, which is perfect. .20 kilometers an hour. Got Strava on, so we'll see how long it takes me to travel this far. And maybe I'll start biking this way in the morning as well. Lots of beautiful farmland to be seen. I wish I could capture the scent of the meadows and the fields. It smells amazing, and share it with you all. Now this section of trail can be shared with motorized vehicles, so I will have to make sure I keep an eye out for those. 25 kilometers an hour. Hope you guys all had an amazing day as well, living the keto lifestyle. We were talking yesterday about being sometimes unmotivated or wanting to give up. And I would say yesterday was one of those days for me. But I got on the scale this morning to weigh myself, and I was 192.2. So I was very happy, and that's why I'm venturing a little further, taking this route, just because motivated me, perked me up. My hard effort is making a difference, and I hope, brothers and sisters, it's helping you guys too, because the mental clarity, the weight loss, blood pressure. I didn't have a problem with blood sugars, but my blood sugars and my cholesterol are all great. So yeah, puts a little spring in your step. Absolutely. Got myself a new riding jersey. I got a large, fits really nice. Feels great. Love having the back pockets. Like I said, I used to have riding jerseys, but right now they're too small. And this one's the size that I can grow a little, and I can still wear it if I lose. So, and it looks great. Has Michelin on it, the Vendom, and so it's black, dark blue with the really nice bright yellow. Just looks amazing. Now we're coming up, I think, to the end of the trail. Brings us out to Cambridge Road. A little bit of a climb. My climbing skills were not the best last year, and I know this is not a climb for most of you, but for me it is. Whew. There you go. A little bit of a longer ride. Different scenery just for y'all. And of course my keto workout of the day. That's my first long-ish ride of the season. Feel pretty good, hot, sweaty, muggy, but good. We'll see you in the next one, guys, real soon. Don't forget to ride safe, like and subscribe. Take care.